We're rolling. We are about to witness the 200,000th load of the Pizzahut dishwasher. The man who's seen the most loads. Andre Meldrum. Here we go. And it started! Intermittent close-up. Hell yeah. A little background while we're going. Ding, ding, ding. Andre is the only one to see this turn 50,000. 100,000. And we are about to witness 200,000.
I almost thought it would be 150,000, but then
Yes, This is a dramatic moment in Pizzahut days. It takes a minute and 30 seconds to load.
This is going to be #1 on YouTube.
We see signs of 200,000. We have it! Yay! 200,000 rolls!
Yeah! Did it.
He's probably better than he wants to be a millionaire. There it is, our dishwasher. Moving in to the empty load. The Chaz can. It was created by Chaz Little, a legendary driver, who is pretty much an idiot. We thank you for tuning in to our 200,000th load celebration.